Hello, kindergarten. I'm happy to see you. We've already worked on making a video and making a drawing, so today we're going to make a note. To make a note, you touch that paper pad picture that has the word note underneath it, and the keyboard pops up right away. You can type on it. I'm going to type I, hit this big white rectangle for space, because remember, we need spaces between our words. I'm going to type the word love, space, and you. Now, to get an exclamation point, or a period, or a question mark, is a little tricky. See, two of those keyboard keys have two pictures on them. If I touch it right now, I get a period. But if I want that question mark, I hit this up arrow, and it turns into a question mark. Over here, I get a comma, but if I want an exclamation point, I hit the up arrow, and I get an exclamation mark. Some of you probably also noticed that the up arrow turns your letters into capitals. And if I touch it again, it goes back to lowercase. Now, it's very silly for me to have a period, question mark, comma, and exclamation point all together. So I'm going to hit this X to go backwards. Then I'm going to hit the up arrow because I want an exclamation mark because I love you so much. And that space. If I want to type numbers or other symbols, I hit one of these keys that has numbers on it. And you get lots of numbers and symbols. Whoop! Sometimes it goes back. And you can get even more interesting numbers and symbols over here by touching this key. But we don't really need those. So I'm going to go back. If I hold it, it'll go back really fast. My favorite part of the keyboard, though, is what happens when I hit this smiley face, and I get emojis. I can use them to decorate my message, or even in place of words. Oh, the animals are some of my favorites. Now, since my note says I love you, I am going to scroll all the way to the back and put lots of hearts. Ta-da! Uh-oh. Here we go. To make our keyboard go away, we hit this key right there. You just have to tap it. If I want my keyboard back, maybe I decide I'm not done typing, I hit the key that says keyboard. It has a K on it and a picture of the note. And then to make it go away, that little picture of the keyboard. Now, the second thing I want you to do when you make a note is to hit the microphone that's right next to the keyboard button. It says record next to it, that word that starts with an R, and you can record your voice reading your note out loud to me. I'm not going to touch it right now because I'm already recording my voice, and it would get very silly if I did. Once you're all done with your note, you can hit that green check mark in the corner, and that will send it off to me. I love you, kindergarten, and I can't wait to see all of your messages.